Bolivar Belicoso Fino we picked up at La Casa del Habano in Cancun. La Casa del Habano's cool shop. They've got behind us a nice bar, and these guys make mojitos and all sorts of drinks. But we picked up some nice sticks, and check out what we got. The last review I did of this cigar was actually in Varadero on the beach. One of my all-time favorite cigars. When I saw it there, there's been a shortage. I just had to pick it up. Beautiful Cuban tobacco. It's a little bit woody, a little bit kind of like palm fronds. Sometimes a little bit leathery. Always kind of a floral scent that comes off of it when it's not lit. Fantastic. Let's get it cut. This is actually the lighter that Lauren gave me from LCDH. It was a very nice gift from her. Very useful gift. I mean, the burn's gonna be a bit crazy, but you gotta make do in these kind of conditions. We have gusts of wind and everything. I'll touch it up as it goes, but so far we got it on. Beautiful flavor. It's been a long time. Kind of dark chocolatey kind of flavor to it. It's a little bit more intense, but it's very smooth. I'm gonna head over there, go light this up in the shade somewhere behind a building, get it going really nicely. I'll come back to you guys and let you know exactly how it's going. Ladies, this is what happens when you leave the men in charge of the kids. You get a beer can and 2 Cheerios. That was breakfast for somebody's kids out there. The lady's getting pampered at the spa, and meanwhile the dad's like, I'm gonna smack back a beer and I'm gonna give this kid a couple of Cheerios and we gotta go to the beach. I'll go get this lit up. I'll come back, let you guys know how it is. Cheers, guys. Just finally managed getting this lit right here, right by the hookah stand. So, you know, tobacco, understand tobacco. Gangster recognize gangster. Check out what's going on here at the party pool right at the bar. You guys, cigar prints, yeah.
Where are you smoking out?
This Bolivar Belicoso Fino.
Okay.
So there's nowhere to get Cuban cigars like in
here.
this area, yeah.
Right.
They have
We
Mexican.
get them on here. We can't find them.
So if you need them, they're Casa del Habanos, pretty much in that hotel zone.
What's up? My YouTube channel.
Okay.
YouTube channel on my YouTube channel.
Okay, and he'll see it and then he'll subscribe back.
Yeah.
All right, cool, man. Take care, guys. Have fun. So we just decided to sit down, tuck in. Got some nachos here. They didn't have any guacamole or salsa or anything, but we got cheese whiz and some onions. So it is what it is. But I asked the guy for some champagne and he brought it in these plastic glasses, these beach glasses, and I was like, those are really nice glasses. The guy started laughing and cracking up. Cigar so far getting into second, third. Very nice. It's actually quite light. Unfortunately, because of the wind and the kind of way things are going, it's burning a little wonky and stuff. But still fantastic, you know. Have a very nice cigar and make life a lot better. Deceptively, this one you'd think it started off having a little bit more intense flavors. Even the smell was a little bit stronger, dark wrapper, but it's actually very, very mellow. I'd consider this one for a Bolivar to be light to medium bodied, light to medium strength even. It's not very strong. Nice flavor. A little bit of the dark flavors in there, but it's kind of turning out to be a little bit more woody, earthy smoke, so that's really nice. Enjoying it. It's kind of reminiscent a little bit of a Partagas D4 at this point with a little less spice. I'm not complaining. I'm really enjoying this. Cheers, guys.